How does the SENDPULSE interface work? As you can see, we're inside SENDPULSE with two key areas, the top bar, which lets us access all the digital marketing tools, and the left sidebar, which contains subsections for each main feature. That's basically how the tool works. You can see all these options from email marketing to website building, including automations where we can easily create workflows as shown here. Chatbots can quickly answer potential clients interested in our services. We had a CRM to manage all these campaigns and our database with emails, generate leads and track sales. Then we could create our own websites using this page. You can also create one for free during the trial period, so you can test how the tool works. Pop-ups on our website can generate offers and collect emails easily when people subscribe for special deals. This is very popular nowadays. We could also create web pass campaigns, as you can see here. We had an SMTP email sending feature which was part of this tool. As you can see, the menu is intuitive. Each section has its own subsections, including subscription forms. We had automations we've set up, but these are all subsections. As you can see, it's not complicated at all. Just go to each feature you want to use and start using it right away.